Affiliate Marketing 101: How to Get Started. Affiliate marketing is one of the most accessible ways to begin generating income online. As an entrepreneur, it allows you to monetize your skills and efforts while partnering with brands to promote their products in exchange for commissions. Whether you're entirely new to this concept or simply want a clearer roadmap to get started, this guide will break everything down step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have the foundational knowledge to launch your affiliate journey with confidence. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is affiliate marketing? At its core, affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you, the affiliate, earn a commission by promoting and selling a product or service. It's a win-win system. The company gets more sales, and you receive compensation for your marketing efforts. Here's how it works. A company provides you with unique affiliate links or codes. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's straightforward, flexible, and scalable, a great opportunity for entrepreneurs looking to earn extra income. You may be wondering, why should I consider becoming an affiliate marketer? There are plenty of compelling reasons. Low startup costs. Unlike launching a business from scratch, affiliate marketing requires minimal investment. You don't need to create products or deal with inventory. Flexibility. Whether you're working full-time or managing multiple projects, affiliate marketing can fit into your schedule. Scalability. As you improve your strategies, your potential earnings can grow exponentially, making it a sustainable income source. This model is especially attractive for entrepreneurs because it combines creativity with business savvy and has unlimited earning potential based on your efforts. To better understand how affiliate marketing functions, let's identify the key players. Merchants. These are the companies or individuals selling products or services. Affiliates. That would be you, the marketer promoting the merchant's offerings. Consumers, finally, those who purchase the products through your affiliate links. These three elements work together to create the affiliate marketing ecosystem. Affiliate commissions are performance-based and can be structured in several ways. CPS, cost per sale. A commission is earned when someone makes a purchase through your link. CPL, cost per lead. You earn when someone completes an action, such as signing up for a free trial. CPA, cost per action. Payment is based on specific actions, like filling out a survey or downloading an app. Understanding these structures will help you choose programs that align with your goals. Picking the right niche is one of the most crucial steps in affiliate marketing. A niche is a specific area of interest or expertise you'll focus on. Here's how to choose wisely. Passion plus knowledge. What topics do you enjoy and feel confident talking about? Market demand. Is there sustained interest in this niche? Research popular trends and products. Profitability. Ensure there's money to be earned by looking for niches with strong affiliate program options. A balance of these three factors will position you for both growth and long-term success. Once you've selected your niche, your next task is to find relevant affiliate programs. Here are three major platforms to get you started. Amazon Associates, ideal for beginners and offers a vast array of products. ClickBank, focused on digital products with high commission rates. ShareASale, features a large variety of merchants across multiple industries. When evaluating programs, pay attention to credibility, average commissions, and customer reviews. As an affiliate, you'll promote one or more of the following types of products. Physical products, mainstream consumer goods, apparel, gadgets, etc. Digital products, e-books, courses, memberships. Subscriptions or memberships, like streaming services or software platforms. Choose products that are relevant to your niche and audience. Entrepreneurs thrive when they establish clear, attainable goals, and affiliate marketing is no different. Set realistic expectations for your revenue, particularly for your first 6 to 12 months. This discipline will keep you motivated as you experiment with strategies and gradually grow your audience. How will you reach your audience? You need strong platforms to connect with potential buyers. Here are your options. Social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are ideal if you prefer short-form, engaging content. Websites or blogs, perfect for building credibility and optimizing for search engines. YouTube and podcasts, great for creating detailed product reviews and tutorials. Choose platforms where your target audience spends their time. Affiliate success relies on accurate tracking. Every affiliate link comes with embedded tracking codes that allow merchants to see how many people clicked your link and made purchases. Use tools like Google Analytics or affiliate dashboards to measure your performance. Success as an affiliate marketer depends on building a loyal audience. Start by identifying your ideal customer. What are their needs? What problems can your recommendations solve? Use organic strategies first, such as consistent content creation and optimization, to grow your following. Content is king when it comes to affiliate marketing. You need to create persuasive and helpful content that engages your audience. Some examples include writing product reviews or how-to blog posts, shooting videos that detail product features or benefits, creating storytelling elements that build trust with your viewers. Consistency is key, so aim to produce high-quality material regularly. Search engine optimization, SEO, can supercharge your affiliate marketing efforts. By targeting the right keywords, you can help your content rank higher on Google, bringing more traffic to your links and platforms. Social media offers incredible potential to amplify your affiliate links. Strengthen your presence by posting click-worthy visuals and captions, leveraging reels or stories, and using paid ads specifically targeted to your niche audience. Don't underestimate the power of email marketing. Building and nurturing an email list allows you to connect more directly with your audience. Send them exclusive tips, product updates, and compelling calls to action to drive clicks and sales. Authenticity is the foundation of a successful affiliate strategy. Always disclose when a link is an affiliate link. Your followers are much more likely to trust you when you're genuine about your recommendations. Let's save you time and frustration by highlighting common mistakes new affiliates make. Promoting too many unrelated products. Skipping product research. Ignoring disclosure guidelines. Avoiding these errors will fast-track your progress. Your strategies should evolve with data. Use analytics to identify what works and what doesn't. For instance, if a specific product isn't converting, replace it with a higher-performing alternative. Tools like Thirsty Affiliates or Ahrefs come in handy here. As you gain more experience, explore ways to scale. This could mean diversifying into new niches, increasing ad spend, or launching your products alongside your affiliate efforts. Many affiliate marketers earn six-figure incomes annually. One commonality among these professionals is their consistency, creativity, and a focus on adding value to their audience. Stay compliant by disclosing affiliate links prominently and following the FTC guidelines. Ethical practices not only protect you legally but build the trust you need to succeed long-term. Creativity separates successful affiliates from the rest. Whether it's offering exclusive bonuses, crafting unique messages, or showcasing your personality, thinking outside the box makes a difference. Are you starting with limited resources? Use free tools like Canva for graphics, Bitly for link tracking, and social media for outreach. This approach proves you don't need a huge budget to succeed. The truth is that most affiliates don't see success overnight. Stay patient, learn from failures, and continually refine your strategies. Growth will come with consistent effort. Use beginner-friendly tools to help streamline processes. Thirsty affiliates for link management. BuzzSumo to discover trending content ideas. Canva to create eye-catching marketing materials. These affordable tools are invaluable as you scale. Efficiency matters. Dedicate time each week to content creation, analyzing metrics, and engaging your audience. A manageable schedule helps you grow sustainably without burnout. The secret to successful affiliate promotion is to provide value. Instead of pushing sales, focus on educating your audience, helping them make informed purchasing decisions. Affiliate marketing rewards those who take action. Don't get stuck in the learning phase, implement what you've learned, experiment with platforms, and commit to consistency. Now that you understand how affiliate marketing works, it's time to put the plan into action. Research your niche, join an affiliate program, and start creating. The road to success may require patience, but it's entirely within your reach. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more entrepreneurial tips. Take the first step today, you've got this. Subscribe, share, and like for more informative videos. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching.